saying is that it doesn't really matter what phone, because when you walk up to like an image in a gallery, right? Nobody asks what phone took this or what camera took this. They just interested in the image. The questions about the image comes up after. So that's why let's make your photos and image as interesting as possible.
Wise words by Mr. Illuminate Photography. Squad minus Tarique. Tarique will be here just now. We're waiting. Somebody call him and hurry him up now.
Like, call him 3D vlogger, call him.
Oh, it was just vlog content. You don't want to make more like that. It was just vlog content. I was trying to. The man finally reached, boy. The man himself. No, I mean to get this man on the channel. Hold on. He's so tall. I had to turn the camera up.
Let me hold this. Like, this is how I start a vlog. Like that. So you imagine.
See the thing. See how he like.
This is the height
I'm not even fully.
Like a selfie stick. Like
this is a walking, living, talking, breathing selfie stick. So everybody putting me in front again, or cause I'm fat? Cause I'm fat. Wait. I get the fat seat, boy. We just want to thank God for the amazing weather. Guys, we just want to be thankful, you know.
You know what this is? When you're doing voiceovers and you don't start backing. This is that moment. Or somebody's gonna blend some punch or something.
You know, boss, I swear the other day, 3:30 in the morning, I went to do a voiceover and man started cutting grass. I'm not even lying. I have a clip of the man cutting grass, boss. Spot number 1. Plebs in the back there.
Sorry, master. Yeah.
You seen me? Vexo. You wanna fight or?
Come now.
What OBS this though?
This is my 85.
That's small.
I actually wanted that one inside, boy. Because
really?
This one is, yeah, after a while they start to get back.
Plus again, Vex no, because every time I point the camera, I have to turn it, I have to tilt it up. Alright, good. Ready? Rolling? Yep. Yo, what's the plan? I am Devon Scott.
And it's your boy Keron, aka Mr. Droid.
I don't know what you're doing.
Why not focus?
Because you can half press the shutter button or just don't like to focus on ugliness.
My style of photography is still life, so we're gonna get some still life, some action, and different genres of photography done here. Now,
That's not good.
JB Superman go in and kill it.
I mean, if it falls, it falls.
You just buy next one.
Now cry.
Hold it like a news reporter, like out on a tiny mic.
Oh yeah, it's like, hold it up to me. My name is Josh Brizan. Most people say Brizan, but whatever. I'm from JB Superman on Instagram. Just love to shoot dark photos, dark everything. Dark people, dark plants, dark roads, dark streets.
Like, I guess this thing.
Well, the way the clip does work is like you squeeze one side and the other side is open. You like where the other side is closed.
Oh, so
yeah.
it's like most of gears.
Like Muso gears.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is Tarique Swan.
He's so tall.
At Tarique Swan on Instagram, and I'm primarily an adventure and lifestyle photographer. So I guess I've lost my train of thought.
So right now, we are about to go and figure out what place that Josh wants to shoot. So just look at him. Look at Superman just setting up.
It's my pants mirror.
So Josh just kicked this off with a crazy photo. You know what? We're in an abandoned skate park, by the way, or is it abandoned? It's not abandoned?
No.
It's newly found. Newly found. Let me run up this ramp. Where's the oh, that's Tarique. Tarique is setting up everything.
Jeez, look how many points. There's only like the focus point is going off.
Yeah.
That's good. You get to see exactly what is in focus.
So he's doing his thing, setting up that manual mode.
You know what we do? Like just hold the phone like a portrait, right? And then you know just flip it to landscape.
Yeah, like that. Oh, okay.
Yeah. But like do it. Like just flip it like kind of fast. Flip.
That was a fail.
So Edward's trying to look for the good spot to try and take a picture. Trying to look all fancy. Edward's looking for that crack in the ground, that piece of glass. What are you looking for, Edward?
Something. I see it, I see it.
Yeah, like how the always on display, always on. Pretty nice. Nice.
I mean,
He like how the always on display, always on.
No, I don't have it.
oh, in your new phone?
Yes, in my iPhone.
Why did I give me music?
Yeah, because Samsung.
That was absolutely nothing. He didn't even, the trick didn't even start.
Samsung, why you do this?
Samsung, if you, hey.
You want to send them a message? But your face don't have to be on camera. It's for a YouTube channel. You want to be on camera? No. You can send a message to them.
Want to be on camera.
You want me to like block your face with my hand and you can tell them your message?
No.
Stop distracting me, man.
I'm sure you get it there now.
Oh, I don't know. It's so hit and miss.
That would work better.
That will work perfectly. Perfect.
Why you didn't do that all the time?
Why did you do that?
Here's what we're going to do,
We
right?
picked the right day to come here, boy.
Skills.
Ready?
You want to get it? Yeah.
The car.
Yeah,
The car.
different
So probably here.
On this side?
Yeah, because it will.
On this side here, the car will mini frame.
You real button on this man, though. I really serious. That dynamic range. There's none.
slow down testing. Tarique.
What's your Instagram?
It's John Willing, John_Willing. You can hit my IG at I am Zix. That's it. I am Zix.
Location 1 done. We're moving again. Where we headed now? Bamboo Cathedral?
Yeah.
There we go. Somewhat.
Why the car stop before?
Stop number 2.
Because it's a Tida man. Oh, it's not Tida man. My bad.
He in the middle of the road. Watch him run, watch him run. He running.
Why are you running?
Show it up now.
Now, why you at 8? On the
Okay.
3rd or 4th best camera on the market right now.
Nice.
Once you get beyond shadows there, again, like everything that's dead on this side, everything is life on the other side.
Watch yourself.
Make it black and white and color.
Let's make it think about not slow away.
Yeah.
Somewhat, eh?
Yeah, like things you would see and know what this thing you take for granted. Like, wait, man, so much shit is happening in like 2 seconds.
We almost didn't let Josh come in, but that's life.
Yeah, because like was out the
Watch
door.
man. Hey, watch man.
I didn't realize. I
Just put it on the door. I was like, damn.
How you feel to be the least loved one in the crew?
Next treat me the same way.
Wow!
The man said they put all that porta potties there because I was making space for content. So like Edward say, here we have wildlife right here, holding a camera. Right.
Watch man. Watch man. Follow your backside. Your back is worked up on it.
Photographers in their natural habitat.
25 feet now.
He didn't like that photo, boy. He didn't like that photo, boy.
No, it'll be better.
A monkey right there.
Yeah.
A monkey? I swear somebody just said to see Josh in that tree. What?
That was your
But that's in his blood. Yeah, I can't well get dropped.
What he going to do? Run down the monkey?
Look him there.
I'm not seeing him, I lost him. I find it.
Wow.
Way.
He real strong though.
That man bringing up 6 coming on.
He coming to hit you. He coming to hit you.
Okay, you take a Keron Walcott straight to your face, huh?
He getting up though. He winding up.
I should just keep rolling because I feel somebody gonna get hurt. So we just keep rolling on Tarique and Keron. Yeah, let me just.
Yeah, to them walk forward. Yeah.
Yeah. Ollie, go ahead. Ollie going good.
Okay, so step forward, guys. Step forward.
At least I know I'm the slowest man here.
Devon expert.
Hey, Devon X Scott.
There's a bunch of howler monkeys in the trees.
Yep.
Howling.
Oh,
So if they start to pelt shit.
Well, they were just pelt mate 10s. What you was saying, Josh is not the slowest person in the group?
Run back to the car now.
Dog, that shit is freaky.
I wonder if the vlog could hear that.
Again, that freak out. So like Caesar in the trees there.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
I think. For the camera. For the phone. Yo.
Come right here.
Taking over Devon vlog for 2 seconds because we can walk. Try to creep up on some howler monkeys. They're just off the path in Bamboo Cathedral. Just try to keep really quiet. Not disturb them too much. Snap some quick ones. Because we saw them from the road so we could actually see them from there. There's one like right there.
Forget his venomous snake eating that too, eh?
Yeah. Snakes don't like noise. Just watch his. I know what to say, watch his step. Right there. There he is. Tap to focus. Oh, there he is. But that's as far as we can get. Well, this is as close as we can get to him because of all the thick vegetation.
You're gonna get ATV and run. That makes sense. So you're gonna leave it park up?
It's like watching the Facebook band and you're like, right?
I'll probably be in a real bad subject right now. I'm supposed to be staying still.
Oh, is your face using? Why?
Alright. Okay. So that's how it is. You just say you wish you had a nice snake in Keron. That's exactly what you say.
Yeah, nice snake.
Nice.
You know, to be a nice subject.
Give me the more leaves. You know my thing is leaves, right?
True. Because everybody's leave you.
My parents.
That was deep.
My parents, my friends.
That was deep and almost true. Like, wow.
People actually.
Okay, I didn't hear that one.
It's like a hot knife and butter.
A drug transaction is just going on here.
Well, the real photo is
A wild Tarique.
Was that by Keron, boy?
nah, jump as soon as he jump.
Nice. Good
Failure.
Pull it on the... I have it. Trust me, I have it. The lens, I'm like, trust me, I have it.
The phantom, right?
I done scratching something. How many times you want to catch me when I'm done?
This is your behavior, horse. This is your behavior. You had to mash up the people cooler.
I mean, I do the same shit.
What you say?
No, it's like men with muscles, really like to show off. Because big man walking around with speedos now.
Wham.
So, okay. We got a nice super slow-mo.
Must be nice.
Keron, I see you leave some nice imprints there, boy. Yeah, I sink down there a good few times too.
So here we have the whole tech tables team. Just here trying to get some S9 content.
Slow-mo.
Some slow-mo stuff. Yo!
Cameras in Canon so much nicer. The colors in Canon, sorry.
Oh!
I've seen that.
You get?
Whoa. So unlike Tarique, everybody else have one shoe, so we had a boss out of here now.
I know that's life.
Alright fellas, let me boss out of here. I go on.
You got it?
Yep.
Alright.
Man versus water. Bust out. Bust out. Safe on the concrete. What is that you saying?
He's safe on the concrete.
Safe on the concrete. What are you saying?
No, I was gonna say we'll get everyone's opinions on the sunset shots we took on the S9.
Yeah. On the way back to the van before darkness catch up to me. Oh, Josh already here. My bad. Oh yeah. Look at this beautiful device. About the food life. Where we gonna eat?
Like a Texan ranch wings.
What that means?
What's going on here? Yep. Holy crap.
Just a nice dark spot though.
Yeah, this got a nice dark spot.
You just doing what?
I was just playing gymnastics with the fork to get it prize.
One of these things is
boy.
not like the other. One of these things just doesn't belong.
Alright, so we reached the end of the day. Tarique, it was good to finally link up. Let me raise the camera, boy. Edward, always cool.
Just back in there.
Yeah. Josh, you had to put your face in the vlog. And Keron, as always. As always. Yeah, so I'll see you in the next one.